June 2025 paper, paper 2 mathematics for grade 12. The question we are going to look is question 6.1. Prove that 2 cos squared bracket 45 plus x is equals to 1 minus sine 2x. So we are going to prove that 2 cos squared 45 plus x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine 2x. The important thing is to decide which side you're going to deal with. This is going to be my left hand side. This is going to be my right hand side. So my left hand side is actually the 2 cos squared bracket for 45 plus x. Yes, this is my left hand side I'm going to deal with. So I'm going to look at that. The first thing I will take is extracting the cos of 45 plus x. I want to extract it. So I'm going to use an expansion that says the cos of alpha plus beta equals to cos alpha cos beta minus sine alpha sine beta. So I will definitely take back the cos of 45 plus x is equals to cos 45 cos x minus sine 45 sine x. Now we have got our triangle, special triangle, that is a right angle triangle, that we have a 1 here and a 1 here, and then we have a root 2, and this part is a 45 degrees, this one is a 45 degrees, such that our sine 45 is equals to opposite hypotenuse, which is 1 over root 2. That is going to be a root 2 over 2. The cos 45 is going to be the same thing, 1 over root 2, which is a root 2 over 2. Because sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. So what do we have here? We have got the bracket root 2 over 2, the cos x, minus a root 2 over 2, the sine x. We can factorize this by saying I have my root 2 over 2, and I'll remain with a cos x minus the sine x, like this. All right? And remember, we want to bring in our cos, our 2 cos squared, our 2 cos squared x. That is now, the whole thing is squared. So we put a 2 here, and then we are going to square the whole thing. That is to say, root 2 over 2 and a cos x minus a sine x square bracket squared, like this. So we will definitely have a 2 bracket, a 2 over 4 bracket, and a cos x minus a sine x squared, like this. So if you look very careful, this will cancel and become a 1. So we'll remain with cos squared minus sine square, sine all squared. That is the same as, for those who might have problems, I will try to show every step. That will be a cos x minus sine x like this. And that will come to cos squared x minus cos x sine x minus cos x sine x plus the sine squared x. Now we collect like terms, cos sine squared x plus the sine squared x minus a 2 cos x sine x. So from the looks of it, you discover that this one here has an identity, and the identity that is linking with this is the cos squared alpha plus the sine squared alpha is identical to a 1. That is the identity linked to that. That will end up giving us a 1 minus a 2 cos x, I'm obsessed with square, sine x. And at the same time, this is also an identity. Let's say another color. This is also an identity. And the identity of this one is coming to be a sine to alpha is a 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Then it will end up being equals to a 1 minus sine 2x. Now this is, now we will say this is the last part, that is the right hand side. So we have proved that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell. Thank you. I'm bringing more of the grade 12 mathematics. Thank you for subscribing.